Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. Uppercase, R. Lowercase, R. R for radio.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain
R for rake.
and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Uppercase, S. Lowercase, s.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun
S for saw.
and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
S for snake. Uppercase, T.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down.
Lowercase,
falling down.
T.
London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
T for tree.
Sticks and stones will all fall
T for
down,
train.
all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and
Uppercase,
clay,
U.
my fair lady.
Lowercase, U.
Wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair
U for
lady.
umbrella.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow.
U for unicorn.
Bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down.
Uppercase,
my
V.
fair lady.
Lowercase, V.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory-dickory-dock, tick-tock, tick-tock.
V for vacuum.
Hickory-dickory-dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew.
V for violin.
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.